Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Pointe-Claire local and long-distance movers near me. If you're ready to hire a cheap Pointe-Claire moving company, 3 Movers is the right option for you. We offer local and long-distance moving services to meet residential and commercial needs. Our team can help you relocate your family, business, or even just a few pieces of furniture. When you hire us to handle a long-distance move, we have the right options for you, including packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. When you're ready to relocate, we offer the right long-distance moving services for your needs. Our team can help make your moves super easy, no matter how far you need to go. A Canada moving company will give you the help you need to handle the heavy lifting and hard work. You don't have to go at it alone. Local movers can certainly make it easier to get your family or business moved quickly. 3 Movers offers the right options to make moving down the road or one city over easier. Our team specializes in a streamlined moving process to save you time and energy. If you need 3 days to move, we can do it in just one afternoon. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Pointe-Claire moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.